Can I feed him?
You are feeding him, honey. Doing a good job. Okay, get a little bit more applesauce. Yeah. Good job, honey. He moves around a lot, so call him. Call his name. Say Jasper.
Jasper!
That's good, honey. Good look at you, how big you are. Yeah, okay, get some more.
Can I feed him?
You are, honey. Call his name. Say Jasper.
Jasper!
You don't have to yell, but you can just... But that's good, honey.
Jasper.
Okay, and get him just a little bit. Say Jasper. Yeah, you could sing to him, too, if you want.
Can I feed him?
You are, honey. You're doing such a good job. Wait till Mama sees that. He likes it, too. Just a little bit, honey. Just a little bit. Yeah, put some of that back. Yeah, just a little bit. Okay.
And I'm going to feed him one more bite.
Okay, good job, honey.